Hey there, and welcome back. I'm Ryan. Last time we exposed the mystery chunks floating around in your tap water. That looks crunchy. Today I'm going to show you how the same water is sneakily pickpocketing your wallet every time you do your laundry, shower, or wash your dishes. This isn't just about stains or crusty buildup. Untreated water makes your soap and cleansers work overtime. That means you're dumping in more soaps, spending more money, and basically running a suds charity. And don't forget all the scrubbing, rinsing, bottles of cleaner you buy that disappear faster than snacks at a kid's birthday party. Here's a weird thought. When you shower, you're not just cleaning your body, you're also cleaning your water, which is insane because it's supposed to be the other way around. Think about it. If you stepped out of the shower with shampoo still plastered to your head like a bad 80s hairstyle, would you feel clean? Nope. Now imagine rinsing with water that's already loaded with junk. That's like washing your car with chocolate milk. I've got two samples here. Blue tape, treated water. Red tape, straight from the tap. We're adding 3 drops of soap. Doing the laundry. Shake, shake, shake. See the treated water? Boom, instant lather. Soap's living its best life. Now check the tap water. Yeah, it's not cleaning your clothes. It's wrestling with contaminants like a bar fight nobody asked for. Now we've got 4 times more soap in this one. And if soap was your cleaning agent, then theoretically, everything should be much cleaner in this water. Which one would you rather take a shower, do your bath, or laundry in? Again, it's not about the soap. It's about the water quality. And all that extra soap, it doesn't just vanish. It sticks to your tub, your shower, your clothes, leaving that slimy film we all love scrubbing off. Here's the good news. When you fix your water, everything just works better. Soap lasts longer, clothes feel softer, your skin doesn't itch like you just rolled in chalk dust. It's one of those behind-the-scene changes that makes life easier every single day. So if you've never tested your water, now's the time. Super simple, there's no pressure, just answers. Test it and treat it. And if this made you laugh or cringe at your water bill, hit like and subscribe because I've got plenty more sudsy stories coming your way.